Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. If copy and paste is not working on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry. In this video, I will show you a few simple fixes that can solve the problem in just few minutes. So let's get started. So firstly, restart Window Explorer. You can just press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. In the search bar, you will search for Window Explorer. Right click on it and select Restart. Now test copy and paste again. If it works, the method 2, clear clipboard. Go to start menu, search for settings. Then open settings. Now go to system, scroll down. Here you will see clipboard. Now click clear next to clipboard data. Sometimes now check if copy and paste working, and sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary Windows issue. After your computer restarts, check if copy and paste is working. And that's it. These are the easiest way to fix copy and paste not working in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.